and welcome to easytrainer.com, a tutorial on tensile structures with Revit. 2015. Open a new family of generic model adaptive.rfe and create reference planes from the reference level. Choose reference planes and create reference planes. To these reference planes, put in the reference points at the intersections as shown and select all the reference points and make them adaptive. This gives a number in the sequential order. Choose the spline through points and create 3 lines across each of these numbered adaptive points. Select the lines thus created which are parallel to each other and say create form solid form. This creates a form which is a plane. Go to the front view and choose the middle adaptive points, filter them to check if only points are selected. Move them to the required height. Now, checking on the 3D view, we find our adaptive component shaping according to the way the points are moved. Adaptive points are moved in the family. This makes it flexible. Now, before we load them into the project, divide the path of the edges to a number of points. The number of points divided can be selected from the properties. Filter only the reference lines while dividing and choose divide path. The number of divisions can be adjusted from the properties. This helps in placing another adaptive component along the nodal points easily. Saving the family. Before loading into the projects, I would like to select all the adaptive points and convert them to shape handles in the properties shape handles, so that I don't need to place that many number of points in the project. Now, creating another new family of generic model adaptive, I would like to create a framework using the same number of points that I have divided the path into. After placing the reference points, select Make Adaptive and choose the spline through points and click on each of these points and make a straight line. Now going to the 3D view and setting the work plane along the vertical axis, create a circle, adjusting the radius to the diameter of the frame. Select the circle and the line to say create form solid form, which sweeps. Saving and loading them into the project, both the families. Use the component command to place the generic model adaptive family. Now we can use the shape handles present wherever our adaptive points was there has now become shape handles, moving which we can adjust the shapes of the component into various forms. I can now put in my frame along the shape by using the nodal points to place. Use the place on face option and place along the nodal points of the divided path, and you can place the framework in this manner along the required shape. The tensile structures can be created using these families. Thank you.